Using WorldPay login can be a convenient and secure way to manage your online transactions. To get the most out of this service, it is essential to understand when to use it. First, consider the type of transaction you are about to make. If you are making a purchase from a merchant that accepts WorldPay, using your WorldPay login can simplify the checkout process. It allows you to securely store your payment information and avoid having to enter it every time you make a purchase. Next, think about the level of security you need for your transaction. WorldPay login offers an additional layer of protection through its secure authentication process. If you are making a high-value or sensitive transaction, using your WorldPay login can provide extra peace of mind. Another scenario where using WorldPay login is beneficial is when you are a frequent online shopper. By storing your payment information securely with WorldPay, you can quickly and easily complete transactions without having to remember multiple passwords or enter your payment details every time. In addition, if you are a business owner who uses WorldPay to accept payments, using the WorldPay login can help you to manage your transactions efficiently. It provides a centralized platform to view and manage all your transactions, making it easier to keep track of your sales and revenues. To use WorldPay login effectively, make sure you have a WorldPay account and that your payment information is up to date. It is also essential to keep your login credentials secure and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. In summary, using WorldPay login can streamline your online transactions, provide an extra layer of security, and make it easier to manage your payments. By understanding when to use WorldPay login, you can take advantage of its benefits and enjoy a more convenient and secure online shopping experience.